Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn how to convert the HTML to PDF with Node.js and the Puppeteer using web URL. So here we are passing the web URL. Let's have a look on that one. Okay, so let's go with convert URL to PDF. So let's review this one. Okay, so here we go with the first we require the Puppeteer again. Here convert URL to PDF, we have created a function which expects the URL and the output file name. So here we are going to launch first and then browser.new page. Navigate the URL first, page.go to. We have to navigate the URL first. Then we are going to generate the PDF with the format A4. Then close the browser. So here you need to pass the URL, whatever, whether it's to be a google.com, whether it's to be anything URL you need to pass over here. And then in the output file, you need to pass it over here. Okay. So output.pdf, this is a file name, then convert to URL, it requires the URL and the file name, then this is a function which we have already created. Okay, if it is not giving me the any kind of issues, then it will go with the PDF created, else it will go to the catch block with giving me the error message. Okay, let's see this. Control S, convert URL to PDF. Okay, so node convert URL to PDF. So let's hit enter. And here we go with the generation PDF created. Let's go and check, and it's just generating. Here we go with the PDF. Here you can see how to install the purator and everything. We have just generated this file, right? So this is how we are able to create PDF from the web URL. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. In the next video, what we are going to learn, web scraping or dynamic website using Puppeteer and the Node.js. This is our next video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.